Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily change the cursor size on macOS Big Sur. So the macOS Big Sur released and you can easily install it. If you want to update from macOS Catalina to macOS Big Sur, refer the link in the description of the video. So guys, let us now see how we can increase the size of cursor. So right now the cursor size you can see the following. Let's see how we can change it. At first, after logging to the macOS Big Sur system, go to the Apple sign, click on System Preferences. From here guys, you just need to click on accessibility, click on it. After clicking, click on display tab. Herein, the second tab cursor is visible, click on it. So this is the cursor size. When I'll drag it, you can see the cursor size. The following cursor size will increase or decrease. I'll first increase it. You can see it has been increased. So large one is very large, huge. Let's minimize it and keep it here. I guess this looks fine. So this is how you can easily increase or decrease the size of cursor. So guys, in this video we saw how we can change the cursor size on macOS Big Sur. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.